unit in the department dealing with the Irish language per se. We have 6 people who are, at least 6 people certainly, who are identified as fluent and proficient in the Irish language and are able to deal with the public. A number of them are here with me this afternoon. So, as I say, we're a relatively small department, so we don't have a separate unit as such. The extent of our contact with the public is relatively small in terms of provision of services, particularly direct provision of services. But as I say, we do have people who are available to speak in Irish as required.
You're holding me on fragra module Nila Kachanga, just for video. And Hooksha, or Hook too. Yeah.
Yeah. The main dirty in real one who Sagelta at Neil Villaher. Kajaku is called Lati, Priwajahat onto Agus Kajaku is Canal Skulny Pobble Tontu Ach Neil.
Tá sé Jackar, tá Gaeilge, tá Béarla, tá Turn, so tá sé beagán in Australia go ríis ná an coiste seo, so go bhfuil tá sé Jackar do mar cahirirlach feimú as an dátheanga, so I suppose chun sé núl cé chu Jackar is atá sé do Tishmahori an talamh agus na clubanna éagsúla atá géirí seirbhíse all trí Gaeilge, so a leid tá sagan có Jackar is atá sé trí an próise seo gur amach go a cheanador a cheachtas snodí.